yeah, I mean, I've never. This is the fastest I've seen anything grow. It's like wildfire. There's subscriptions, and then there's share of advertising revenue, um, and we just really need to complete writing the software for uh, figuring out like what ads were associated with what content, and then figure out like some reasonable revenue share. And yeah, so I mean, I think it's reasonable for an advertiser to decide what 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 content they appear next to. We'll make sure that their ad doesn't appear next to something controversial or whatever they consider controversial.